insert, go to the here, go to the insert button, okay, contact me, link, okay. Now what I do, this is my chat link, website link, okay, and here I go to this link, contact me or join my group, join my WhatsApp group, insert, that's it, okay. You can position it, okay, publish it, that's it. Publish the website. As the website is published, you can go here, you can see the button join me on WhatsApp. You know, click on this join my WhatsApp, okay. I get the website. About me bole na, yes, join me on WhatsApp group, great. Here you can embed any URL, whatever URL you embed, you can redirect to WhatsApp group, you can redirect to Google Form group, you can redirect to any other websites also, okay.